And here's the chart of gold. Gold came down to less than, more than 50% retracement. He dived to this level of support. I see currently two possible options. And I think we're going to have resolution about that fairly soon. Possibly today in the next few hours. I see two options. That's an A, that's a B, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, which is still valid as long as it doesn't run above this horizontal line at 3, 2, 8, 4. Once it runs above that, then it's quite possible that this is A, this is B, and this is C complete. The C will not end here, but it's over. Okay, and that'll be a bit strange, but I'm not making up the prices here. Mr. Market is throwing at us whatever it is throwing at us, so we just have to work with that. It is strange, yes, that the C would be short on the time scale and the price scale in comparison to the A, but that will be mark of strength. Okay, it's as simple as that. If I'm reading it right, and that will be an ABC, that will definitely be a mark of strength. Now, if we do go down here, we don't hit above this level, we go down here, my best bet, we're going to complete the C. Okay, so that's going to chew up a few more days. We're probably going to rest above this support level at 3160 or something, around here. And the best bet is that it's going to come back. That's the best bet at this point. We can't know what will happen in the future. I'm just working with the patterns here, doing my best to interpret that. We go down to 3160 and we start inching higher and higher next week. At some point we start coming back up, okay? That confirms my ABC. We don't do that. We go down to 3160 and we get stuck there. We get stuck there. We kind of, market is heavy. Is just doing something like that, and the key is that it is not in a hurry to come back. If that happens, then you have to take it as a sign that it wants to go lower, okay, and that will impact, of course, the wave count, and the structure will have to be modified, the labelings, etc. Okay, let's have a look at silver. Silver, I modified slightly the wave count here, and it is following, if you like, the same structure that I see so clearly in platinum. Platinum has very clear structure that it hit top right here. So I'm going to go with that, also applying it to silver. The metals are buddies, they go together, not following precisely the same path, but overall they are following the same structure. In many cases, here we go, I think that's an A. That looks to me like a classic ABC, which is a B, or the B might extend if it just hangs around here, and it doesn't move, let's say, for 1 or 2 trading days from this range. Then it is here, it's a B, and we're going down for a C. I don't think that silver finished with the business of going down. I told you I have a target at 3150. It didn't quite get there. It could even go lower. Yes, I would suggest, if you are interested in silver, you keep an eye on platinum as well. As far as I'm concerned, it is very helpful, and you have a channel that you can work with here, apparent channel. We could be going down for the C to hit the other side of the channel with the support coming up here at around 31 or so. And then the same thing like we have witnessed in gold, what I explained, that if we see the market heavy, not going, not moving, sort of getting stuck, spending time, that's very, very important. We see how much time it's spending at around this level. That is a big signal. It wants to go lower. The market finished with a correction. It's eager to go back up. Then it's going to zoom back higher. I think running back above 3250, mid-range of what's happening here. Having dived toward 31, running back to 3250, it's a very good sign. First of all, that it's strong. Secondly, breaking outside this downsloping channel, coming back up, tells you it wants to go higher. Okay, so that's the situation with silver.